What if your phone battery had AI? It doesn't mean the battery suddenly gets more powerful. What really changes is how the battery understands its own condition. BMSs monitor voltage and temperature to control charging and power output. They also estimate remaining energy and overall battery health, but they mostly operate based on predefined rules. When AI comes into the picture, it goes a step further. It doesn't just look at basic data. It analyzes subtle changes in charging speed, tiny voltage fluctuations, and even how you actually use your device. That means it can tell the difference between everything looks fine right now and if this usage pattern continues, performance could start to degrade. What's important here is that AI doesn't just try to predict failure. It estimates the battery's remaining useful life in probabilistic terms. Researchers from MIT, Stanford, and Toyota have shown that AI models can predict battery lifespan trends using data from just the first few dozen charge and discharge cycles. And that's where things are headed. Companies like LG and Tesla are actively researching AI-based battery technologies. This becomes even more intuitive in EVs. Hyundai has announced plans to gradually introduce a cloud-based AI system, starting in 2026, to assess the safety condition of EV batteries. Instead of looking at a single car in isolation, the system compares it against data from thousands of similar vehicles to determine whether the battery is operating normally or approaching a risk zone. If AI can be applied to batteries reliably, they won't just be components anymore. They'll become systems that understand, predict, and adapt. It could guide you toward better choices, like stopping at 80% is better, or this charging habit could shorten your battery's lifespan.